In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a file on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To open any file, you can see I have here quite a number of files or folders that contain several files. To open any of these, just follow these steps. First, head over to the folder or the file that you wish to open. For instance, I want to open this folder called videos. There are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can just hover over it, and once you have hovered over it with your mouse, right click on your mouse, and then you'll see we have an option to open. If now I left click on open, this will open the folder or the files. Here I can do the same to open any of these folders. So that is the first method to open files and folders. Now for the second method, just go to the file or the folder and then click twice on it using the left side of your mouse or touchpad. And if I do so, now you can see we have the folder again opened. So that's how you can open files and folders on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.